Well, we've got a new one in the party. I predicted, if you go back and watch some of my videos on the Bosch heat pump line and the technology that they were using, that we were going to see more brands come out with products similar to it. Not too long ago, Gree came out with the Flexx, and of course Bosch had their heat pump line, and now we have a new line, new company to the party, if you will. And if you look at Lynx's Allied lineup, so we're talking about Allied and Ducane and Concord, some of these brands that's on the Allied side of things. Lynx kind of owns it all, but they are affiliated in that way. They have now come out with their Lynx, is what they're calling it. Lynx, L-Y-N-X. Ducane Lynx, the Concord Lynx, the Allied Lynx, they're all the same product, and they are using the same technology. We talked about years ago how Bosch had this inverter technology, and unlike a lot of the other brands who were pairing that with communicating thermostats, proprietary technologies, and things like that, where you had to go buy their product. So in other words, if you were to go buy a Carrier or a Train inverter system, you're gonna have to buy their communicating thermostat and their communicating products to be paired with that. The difference is with Bosch and now Lynx, you know, Ducane and Concord and all these guys, and then of course the Gree Flexx, you can go buy just about any thermostat off the shelf at any hardware store as long as it's compatible. So if you like an Ecobee or a Honeywell or a Google Nest and you want to pair it with this new system, you can do that. So I have not personally laid hands on one of these systems. I can't vouch for them. I don't know if they're good or bad, but a lot of folks seem to like them. And again, I made this prediction years ago. I thought it was very unique how Bosch was able to come out with this technology, and they've got this inverter compressor. It can ramp up and down, but instead of the indoor and outdoor units talking with the thermostat and communicating, it used other technologies to ramp up and down. And so I know Bosch basically monitors the pressure coming back from the evaporator coil and the temperature that you are setting it at, its target temperature. It will ramp up and down based on that. I don't know how these are going to work in contrast to that. Here's the thing, a lot of these technologies are not that groundbreaking. It's the same stuff that's in mini splits and things like that. They figured out a way to translate that into these systems that can be installed with ductwork. I'm going to make another prediction that you're going to see more of that you're going to see more companies signing on to this as it becomes more of a thing. And again, I made this prediction years ago when I saw Bosch come out with this technology. I thought it was very unique. It's also, in comparison, less expensive. So instead of these $500, $600, $700 thermostats, you're being able to go purchase your own thermostat. In fact, you don't even need to get an Ecobee or Honeywell 8000 or 9000 or even a Google Nest. You could pretty much pair it with just some cheap heat pump thermostat and it will operate with this inverter system. It's very impressive, to be honest with you, and whoever created this technology definitely had their thinking cap on. So aside from the prediction of more companies signing on with this technology, I just think that it's going to become more of a thing. The other thing with this is, as these new ratings come out, you're going to see folks looking for more cost-effective options instead of wanting to buy these systems that we're now seeing get up above 24, 25 SEER, and who knows what the future holds with that. I'm sure they're going to get more efficient and maybe even invent more technologies. I just think that you're going to see folks that they can't afford the top of the line Rolls Royce, if you will. They're going to be looking for that Ford or Chevrolet option. Let me know your thoughts. Do you have one of these new systems? Do you have a Lynx, or do you have a Bosch or a Gree Flexx? Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you think of them. I can tell you that we put a Bosch system in our house years ago and it's done great. We've saved energy and they do just fine. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.